arms up. The normal way. See, your leg's too high. Lower it, lower it, lower it. Hold, there. Try and balance your toe. If you look at the end of the wing.
Yeah.
And balance your toe against that.
This arm's straight?
Yeah.
Before you go up in the air, you've got to learn how to fix the rigs properly. There's a lot of safety involved, and for example, hand signals are very important because we can't talk to the pilots. We have no communication verbally. We have to use signals. So that's all got to be learnt, and we just got to mentally prepare ourselves really for what is going to be involved.
Okay, so arms up. Go. Okay, lower the leg. That's it. Perfect. Very elegant. Leg extended, yeah, just waving together, all in time. I think you'll be leading, so I'll watch you. Okay, so just make your movements clear and precise so I can follow them. Yeah.